Hello everyone, my name is Prasad. I am from Andhra Pradesh and I completed my computer science and graduation and I passed out from KL University in the year of 2022. Later on, to start my IT career, I have chosen JSpiders because one of my seniors referred me to join in JSpiders to have a better future. And I joined and I learned monster development, which is taught by Salman sir, and later Core Java taught by Anupama madam and Akshay sir, and SPL was taught by Chandralekha ma'am. All this process I have attended more than 20 to 25 interviews, and I got placed recently in Algo Shop company as a software engineer with package 2.4 lakh per annum. And I refer everyone to join in this JSpiders to start your IT career and to become a software developer. That's it. Thank you.